Oh, come on then. This is Britannia Wood. Let's go look at the plaque, shall we? See what it says. If you look up here, Finley, see that sign there? See that sign up there? Up here. What that says? Britannia Woods, that way. And here's the plaque here. Oh. Can you read it? Yeah. It's dedicated.
It's dedicated to the memory of all those on board who died
When
the Bristol Britannia
airliner GANCA
crashed in this wood
during
a test flight
from Filton
on the 6th
of November 1957.
Oh, so it was a test flight.
I guess so. This word is also the location of the historic Serpentine Drive, which served
as an entrance
to Cleve Hill. Right. Yeah. Right then. Should we go up and have a look?
Yeah, right.
Right then.
I thought it would probably be crashed in the test flight.
Yeah, here you go now.
Where was it supposed to land?
I don't know, it didn't say there.
Yeah, it didn't.
I guess it was supposed to land back in Filton again. It's supposed to just to fly around and then go back. Here we go. Up the steps.
Was there even a burn in the exhaust?
I don't
Or
know.
maybe a failure with the engine?
Oh, I don't know.
They get stopped and just fly through the air and crash.
Look at all these stairs in there.
That's probably leading to the crash site.
Maybe.
This is probably a famous woods.
It is, isn't it?
Is this all the way up?
All the way up to the top. Like Puzzle Wood, isn't it?
Kind of.
A little bit.
Yeah, I remember the sculpture hunt.
Yeah,
Do you remember?
I remember.
If that chair still wasn't there. I don't know if I've got a good picture of it in there.
Oh.
Maybe animals. Well, I just farted.
Okay.
And also pardon me.
Okay.
Where's the crash? Like down here.
Yeah, up here.
Is that the hole?
Yeah, let's have a look.
Oh. Well. Oh.
I think this is...
It must not chop down those trees on the way down. Looks like it chopped down some trees. Oh, see, bit probably from the aircraft.
What's all this? Let's have a look.
Is this the hill? The hole?
I think it might be up that way.
It's still.
I think that's a wheel. What do you think? Have you think that's from the crash?
Could be.
Could be. Let's have a look up here.
But it probably isn't.
I think there's a big hole down there, though.
What?
Let's have a look down here.
Let's search around the hole.
Yeah, we're going to have a good look around, though. What's down there, Finley?
Oh, is it that?
I think it might be that, though. Morning. Morning. It might be down here. Yeah, there it is. Look,
Took down a lot of trees.
wow, look at that. Finley.
That's a lot of trees what it took down.
Yeah, let's have a look. See if we can have a proper look.
Let's see if we see any parts. Yeah, I think that will what we found.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh yeah, I see.
That's the hole.
There's a hole.
That area there, that's where it crashed.
That's got a hurt. No, sorry. I think that bit there is probably from the Italian. You know, that bit.
You reckon? Should we go down and have a look?
Yeah. But let's try not to go in it.
We can go down there if you want.
Are you even allowed in it?
Yeah.
Let's go down it.
Okay, let's go find a better way to get around there.
Maybe down that way.
Yeah.
That's probably a safer way.
Yeah, let's find a proper way.
Down there. Are we still recording?
Of course we are, Finley, yeah. Always. Documenting it, Finley, for you. Just gotta itch my nose a minute.
Here's a way down.
Let's have a look.
Oh, I think that bit there's probably been chopped.
Huh?
The crash. That bit there probably been chopped by the crash.
Whoop. Careful, Phil.
Eyes were in Natalia will be in the museum. It didn't crash them. It says, did this happen? Oh, look.
Oh, I know how we can get down.
What?
Let's go around. We'll go around and we'll go down the other side.
Okay. What a day!
I know. Good chance, isn't it? Let's go through this.
Area.
You go first,
I
shouldn't we?
think we need to do more stuff like this.
I know, exploration, isn't it?
Yeah, just on other projects,
Other project.
not just this creature. Let's we do a episode 2 about it.
Yeah.
Oh, I think that bit there's parts of it.
Do you reckon? Do you reckon it might be?
Well, the crash site is around this way, so it probably is.
Yeah.
Maybe like
Could be, couldn't it?
a piece of a body part.
Body parts?
You know, like a piece of what probably holds a bit together.
Oh, yeah.
Probably one of those. Oh.
Oh.
I wonder if the plane was on fire.
I expect so.
That bit. Probably a bit of a body part.
No, it's just a bit of plastic. So.
I'm actually desperate to find a piece of an Italian in here.
Yeah? Well, we'll go down that hole and then we'll have a look.
Of course, we'll just... Yeah, of course, we'll catch it on camera.
Yeah.
If we do.
If you see anything, we'll catch it.
On camera. Oh.
Go along here, see if we can get
I
down.
think those were probably evidence about the crash.
You reckon?
Yeah. If not, they've just been chopped down.
Yeah.
Fallen down. Oh yeah, those logs were probably made by it.
Could be.
It's a big rip-off. And oh, those trees down there, you see those down by the site? Pieces
Yeah.
of evidence.
You reckon?
Yeah, pieces of evidence.
Right, let's go round.
I wonder what caused it to crash.
Oh, I don't know. Don't know if any of
Oh yeah, that bit there's probably a body part.
Oh, down there.
Yeah.
Could be. We'll go round and we'll have a look. find a way to go down.
That's on there. I see. Yeah, that's probably a rusty body part. Could be.
Could be.
And also, we'll catch it on camera for you guys.
Like your man then. Well, I'm just going to pause it a minute.
Pause.
Okay. Ah. You right?
We're going on here. I think we should do stuff like this, like maybe in Easter holidays.
Yes, we can.
Anyway, yeah, it's on camera. Sorry about that, guys. I think that's probably a piece of nose cone.
That thing.
Yeah, that thing.
Could be, couldn't it? Oh, don't touch it though.
And it's got chains on.
Yeah, it's got chains on it, hasn't it?
So it's probably rusty old chains. What do you think of it?
I don't know, friendly.
Well, most parts here have been taken away.
You've got...
Burnt branches.
That could be.
Yes, could be. On the comments, you say what you think this bit and that bit is.
Yeah, you've got that bit of metal there.
There's a probably all part of the crush.
It's all part of it, I guess.
I wonder what caused it.
And that bit of metal there.
That's probably part of it.
Could be, couldn't it?
Yeah. Maybe a bit
Same
of
colour, isn't it,
white
Phil? Look.
stripes. I'm not sure about that bit, but could be.
Could be, couldn't it?
Could be.
That's all the trees got smashed down, where it all
Crashed.
clashed.
That's a lot of trees.
Yeah.
And you could say that again.
Yeah.
But all those branches, everything. So
Yeah.
everything is down, like including the branches down here.
Yeah, that's all part of it, Phil.
All part of it. And I'm still questioning about the that bit there. What I think probably a nose cone.
You reckon it's a nose cone?
Yeah, at least inside.
It could be.
Oh!
Yeah, that tree where it's been ripped off.
I wonder where the tree landed. Where's it gone?
I don't know.
Where's it gone?
It's all been
Oh,
destroyed.
how about that bit?
Yeah, it could be, Phil. Do you reckon?
Yeah, it seems like it. Anyways.
Should we go back up?
Anyway, that's that for you.
Yeah.
So, what do you think these pieces have been? On the comments, say what have these pieces been on the comments? Like, what do you think of an Italian or just random pieces of something else in the comments? And also, like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Peace.
Well done, Finley.
No, it's end that.
Okay.